Look how big it is. That's someone's roof. Look how inquisitive she is. Albatross. Seagull. She must be lost.
He's looking for some chips.
Chips, yeah, they like to eat chips.
We have
Fish
chips.
and chips.
What chips, Daddy? No, to give to the seagull.
I think she's lost. She doesn't know which way to go. Oh. Aya, why don't you go and feed her something and I'll watch from here?
There's nothing to give it.
How about some crisps?
It won't eat that. It might get sick.
How about some cheese crackers?
It's not going to eat that. Well, maybe. I don't know. I'm going to make bitter dog.
She's not even walking or anything. She's just lost and confused. Oh, she's about. Oh, she's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone.